The Purus River is one of the major rivers of South America, flowing through the Amazon basin and serving as an essential waterway in the northern part of Brazil and a small portion of Peru. It is an impressive river, both in terms of length and the ecological richness of the surrounding rainforest. The Purus stretches for approximately 3,211 kilometers, about 1,996 miles, making it one of the longest tributaries of the Amazon River. Its path weaves through dense tropical rainforests, creating a lifeline for the biodiversity in the region and for the communities that depend on it. The river originates in the Peruvian Andes, specifically in the Ucayali region of eastern Peru, before flowing northeastward into Brazil. In Brazil, it traverses the states of Acre and Amazonas, eventually joining the mighty Amazon River near the town of Boca do Acre. Unlike many rivers that follow a straight course, the Purus is highly meandering, creating numerous curves and oxbow lakes along its journey. This winding pattern is due to the flat topography of the Amazon basin, which allows the river to change its course over time, shaping the surrounding landscape and creating unique ecological niches. The Purus River Basin covers an area of approximately 370,000 square kilometers, hosting an extraordinary diversity of flora and fauna. The river and its tributaries provide habitats for hundreds of fish species, including economically important ones like tambaquai and pirarucu. Aquatic mammals, such as river dolphins, Inia geoffrensis, and reptiles like caimans are also abundant. The forests along the Purus River are home to jaguars, tapirs, giant otters, and countless bird species. This high biodiversity makes the Purus River Basin an essential area for conservation efforts in the Amazon. Communities along the Purus River have historically depended on its waters for transportation, food, and daily life. Many indigenous groups, such as the Kulina, Jamamati, and Pano peoples, have lived along the river for centuries, developing a deep understanding of its rhythms, floods, and seasonal changes. They rely on fishing, small-scale agriculture, and gathering forest resources for survival. Even in modern times, the river continues to serve as a primary means of transport because roads are scarce or non-existent in this remote part of the Amazon. Boats and canoes are the main modes of movement, connecting communities and providing access to larger towns along the Amazon. The Purus River also has significant hydrological characteristics. It is a whitewater river in its upper reaches, carrying a high sediment load from the Andes, which contributes to its nutrient-rich floodplains. However, most of its lower reaches are classified as blackwater, with dark, acidic water that flows slowly through sandy soils and dense forest. These contrasting water types influence the types of fish and aquatic vegetation found in different stretches of the river, and they play a role in the unique ecological balance of the region. Seasonal flooding is a natural and critical aspect of the Purus River's ecosystem. During the rainy season, the river can expand up to 10 kilometers wide in some places, inundating large areas of forest. This flooding enriches the soil, deposits nutrients, and supports the growth of diverse plant species. It also provides breeding grounds for fish and other aquatic life. Conversely, in the dry season, water levels drop, exposing riverbanks and islands, allowing for hunting, agriculture, and other activities by local populations. The river's seasonal rhythms shape the entire ecology and culture along its course. Despite its importance, the Purus River faces several environmental pressures. Deforestation for logging, agriculture, and cattle ranching threatens the river's surrounding rainforest, leading to habitat loss and increased sedimentation. Pollution from mining operations and urban settlements can also degrade water quality. Conservation initiatives, often involving local communities, aim to protect the river's natural environment and ensure that it continues to support both biodiversity and human livelihoods. In summary, the Purus River is a vital artery of the Amazon basin, renowned for its winding course, ecological diversity, and cultural significance. From its origin in the Peruvian Andes to its confluence with the Amazon River in Brazil, the Purus sustains rich forests, diverse wildlife, and indigenous communities that depend on its waters. Its seasonal rhythms, contrasting water types, and meandering path make it a unique and essential feature of South America's natural landscape. The protection and sustainable management of the Purus River are crucial not only for the Amazon ecosystem but also for the cultural heritage and livelihoods of those who live along its banks.